Hey guys, if you are still not sure how to test your trading strategy before jumping in with real money, today I want to introduce you a platform called Gocharting. Here, you can do pretty much anything in backtesting without the usual limitations you'd run into on other platforms. On other platforms, you usually have to pay to backtest on low time frames at multiple indicators or drawing objects, or trade on smaller time frames. On Gocharting, you can do all of that for free. It's really simple, just type gocharting.com into your browser, then sign up for an account like normal. Once your account is set up, click on the products menu, then select charts. Before I move on to the tutorial, make sure you guys subscribe me first, and if you are still unsure which trading broker is best for you, today I also have prepared recommendation for 3 best brokers. It's the best in a different category. There is a broker with the best spreads, the best broker for trading with unlimited leverage, and the best funded account broker for those of you who want to trade with capital provided by the broker up to $200,000. Links of all 3 brokers are in the description guys, so go check them out and register on one broker that has your favorite feature, whether because of the spread, the leverage, or because they are ready to give you trading capital. Go check now in the description. Now I will walk you through how to backtest. I'm already on the Gocharting chart and I want to backtest on the GBP USD pair. Just click the replay button. After that, scroll back through the candlestick history. Double click on the date where you want to start your backtest. On the left side, here are the drawing objects you can use to mark up the chart. There is rectangle, Fibonacci, lines, and more. Then, to add indicators, there is the study button. Say I want to add Bollinger Bands, just type it in, then moving average. Whatever you want to add, just type it in here. You can also adjust the settings by clicking the gear icon on your indicator list in the top left, like this. The thing I love most about Gocharting is that it lets you backtest all the way down to a 1-minute time frame, which on other more well-known platforms, we all know what platform it is, you'd have to subscribe to Premium first to get this feature. To run the chart, just press the play button here. When you need time to analyze, pause it so the chart stops. Gocharting also lets you do multi-time frame analysis. Whichever time frame you pick, the price movement stays consistent and the same price across every time frame. And again, you'd have to pay for this feature on other platforms guys. So for me, Gocharting is truly the best backtesting platform because we get pro level service without having to pay a single cent. So I think this video is gonna be helpful a lot for traders, right? If yes, please give it a like guys. Share this video so all traders know the best place to backtest their strategy before using it to trade with real money. Always support me guys by clicking the subscribe button below. Alright, thank you for watching and see you next time.